Most people miss out on Walmart benefits because they don't actually activate the free trial the right way. They think it's automatic, then realize later they never unlock the perks. Here's the truth no one tells you. The Walmart free trial is real, but you have to enroll properly inside the official system, or you won't get the benefits like free delivery and fuel savings. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to use the Walmart free trial in 2026 step by step, so you can test it without paying anything up front. Let's start from the beginning. First, you need the Walmart app installed on your phone. This is where everything begins. Open the app and sign in to your Walmart account, or create one if you don't already have it. Now here's where it gets interesting. The free trial is usually offered inside the Walmart section, not on the home screen. So you need to tap into the Walmart membership area inside the app. Once you open it, you will see an option for a free trial, if you are eligible. Tap on it to start enrollment. But here's the problem most people run into. They skip reading the trial terms and accidentally select a paid plan instead of the free trial. That leads to unexpected charges after the trial period ends. So make sure you clearly select the free trial option before confirming. Now you will be asked to enter a payment method. This is required, even for the free trial. It is used only for billing after the trial ends if you choose to continue. Imagine someone like Alex trying Walmart for the first time. He signs up quickly, uses free delivery for groceries, and forgets about the trial date. Later, he gets charged because he didn't cancel on time. That's the most common mistake. Now here's something important most users don't realize. Once you activate the free trial, you immediately get access to all Walmart benefits. This includes free delivery on eligible orders, fuel discounts at partner stations, and member pricing in some categories. Everything is active instantly after sign-up. Now let's walk through how you should actually use it during your trial period. You place an order like normal inside the Walmart app at Seawall. When checking out, select delivery or pickup options that qualify for Walmart Diet. If your order meets the requirements, the discount or free delivery is applied automatically. Now here's the key timing tip. Set a reminder on your phone for a few days before the trial ends. This gives you time to decide whether to continue or cancel without being charged. Let's simplify everything. Open the Walmart app. Go to Walmart. Select free trial. Enter payment details. Confirm sign-up. Start using benefits immediately. The biggest mistake people make is signing up without tracking the trial end date or selecting the wrong plan option. That is what leads to unwanted charges. Once used correctly, the Walmart free trial is a great way to test real savings and delivery benefits without paying upfront in 2026. If this helped you understand how to use the Walmart free trial clearly, like, comment, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides like this.